comes to cooking food, a good friend of mine and I just discussed the fact that he's eating beanie weenies, but you know what? It's kind of early to eat beanie weenies, and I let him know that. This ain't just willy-nilly decide what you want to eat as you go kind of bullshit. This is the revolution. In the revolution, you have to be very, very careful what you eat at what time. For example, I got a fridge full of shit. A lot of it's meats. A lot of it expires. So guess what? I'm eating the meats first before I get into the tuna up there and the cup of noodles and the bullshit and the beanie fucking weenies on the counter. Before I get into that, which has no fucking expiration date anytime soon, I'm gonna eat my meats. The shit that expires. The steak that I'm cooking right now, which is a nice thing to have when you're starting a revolution, but you ain't gonna come across a steak unless you froze it a month or two down the line from now. So guess what? I'm eating it now. I'm enjoying it now. And that's how you gotta do this if you wanna do it right. We got a long time to get through. This is a slow marathon. This ain't no fucking sprint. Safe cooking.
Magic.